Today I'm going to be showing you how to sound fat without doing too much work on the piano. How to sound fat and full without doing much. Now take a look at this. This is what? A C major chord. And all you have to do to sound fat is to add one more note. And that note is what? This. The difference between this and this, the C Add9. If you want to sound fat and full without doing too much on the keyboard, all you have to do is to play either a Sus2 or an Add9. Now, if you don't know what a Sus2 is for beginners, a Sus2 is simply means a Sus2 chord simply means suspended second chord, and it's a chord made up of 3 notes: your 1 on the key of C, your 2 and the 5. And that's why most times you hear me play something like this. That's me playing with the Sus2, okay? But the moment you add this note, it becomes an Add9, and that is exactly what I want to show you. So instead of playing a power chord, C, G, and C, that's the 1, the 5, and the 1, just do something more. Extend this one, extend it to the 9th. There's a difference between this and this. Okay? When you add the E note, it becomes what? It becomes Add9. And you can make use of this voicing to sound real fat and sweet. Okay? So on your left hand you have C, G. Now your thumb is going to play 2 notes at the same time. It's going to depress 2 notes at the same time, or press 2 notes at the same time, C and D. And then your right hand, you're gonna do G, D, E, and G. So this sounds fuller than playing just this. Okay, so if you've been playing this and you want to take it a notch higher, play this. That's the C Add9. Now if you are going to your chord 4 and you are playing this, do the same thing. Play the suspended second chord. Alright, that's the F Sus2, and include this. Or you do this F Add9, the power of Add9 chord. So we went from this to this. It's more like playing this particular progression, 1/4 progression. And for your chord 5, you can also do a suspended second. and it becomes an Add9. Okay. So let's go from chord 1. Chord 1, you have this. Remember, your thumb is playing D and C and D, and you have this on your right hand for your chord 1 on the key of C. For chord 4, you have this. And then for your chord 5, you have this. But I would prefer you just play this. Can you do this? So if you want to sound fat and full without doing too much, make use of your suspended second and stack it for it to become an Add9 chord, and with this you sound pretty better than playing this. This is boring, okay? This is boring, and this is the new way of playing it, okay? This is boring, this is the new way of playing it. The power of Add9 and suspended second chords. If this has been of help to you, kindly leave a comment, give this lesson a thumbs up, and if you are new to the channel, subscribe. No? Okay, that's me just playing around. That's a particular song we do sing for newcomers when they come over to church, and if you are new to this channel, that is me playing this. So you're welcome. Do make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a comment and give this lesson a thumbs up. See you in the next video. Bye.